Hello everybody.
Yes, I see the things that they wishing on me. Hope I got some brothers that outlive me.
Smoking
They
good
gon'
or
tell the
bad?
story, shit was
So the
different
answer
with me.
is smoking is bad for your health because almost about 7 million people die actually every year from cigarette smoke. So what about us if you don't smoke but actually stay with people who actually smoke? So almost about 1 million people, 1.5 million people they have actually died from passive smoking, and the worldwide base almost about 3 billion people who are actually smokers. So what have we done to solve this problem, not to be always a complainant? What have we done? We have created the solution. What's the solution? First tar and carbon monoxide filter in the world. So how does this filter works? It works as follows. This filter consists of the entrance where you put your cigarette, and also this is where you inhale. Put it like this. So you inhale. So how does this work? You need this filter and also the pack of cigarettes. You need cigarettes. So I'll tell you how it works. So first thing, you take a cigarette. This is a cigarette, this is gasoline, and also this is food. So you take a cigarette, put it here inside, fixed, and get your lighter. Yes, I see the things that they wishing on me. So as you can see, I'm actually smoking, but this filters tar and also carbon monoxide, but not nicotine. This filter actually it is 100% nicotine. The nicotine which is found in cigarette, it does not filter the nicotine. It only filters carbon monoxide and also tar. So as you can see, I make sure that Northside eat. And still bad things. It's a lot of bad things. It is free. Actually, so this filter is designed. How is this filter designed? So this filter consists of 2 tissues. There is the first tissue which is located here, and the second tissue is located here, and at the middle there what we call the carbon monoxide absorbers. So these tissues they actually absorb tar from cigarette smoke, from cigarette